Hello students, welcome to the GK video class of Standard 5. So far we have completed 19 chapter of this book, General Knowledge book, Mr. Know-all, and 19 chapters are our portion of semester 1. Total 19 chapters will be in the same one examination. So from today onward we are starting quick revision of chapter number 1 and 2. Here first lesson already we have studied recognize the insect. In this chapter we studied about the insect. Do you know children how did insects get their name? In Latin the word insecta means segmented, and that's how insects got their name. And then insects have segmented a ring body with 3 parts: head, thorax and abdomen. Besides this, all insects have 6 legs, head, mouth, a pair of eyes and feelers. Feelers also called antenna. And do you know what is the use of antenna? Insects use their antenna to taste, feel, smell and hear. And 2 amazing facts about insects are: the longest insect is the giant stick, which is about 45 centimeter long, and the fastest among all the flying insect is dragonfly. And do you know children, among ants only male ants and queen ants have wings which they use once. So all crawling animals are not insect, neither are all animals with segmented bodies insects. Can you find out why? So here spot the insect given. So let's do the exercise of this GK. Here spot the insects. Lizard? No, lizard is not an insect. Bird? Yes, segmented body, antenna, all it has. So wasp is an insect. Caterpillar, insect. Spider, not insect. Then flea, yes, it is an insect. Millipede, no, it is not an insect. Then woodlouse, it is also not an insect. Here 9 number moth, yes, it is an insect. Then 10 ant, yes, it is also an insect. Spider is not an insect. Here children, Mr. Know-all. Do you know we call insects bugs? However, while all bugs are insects, this is a bug. All insects are not bugs. All bugs are insects, but all insects are not bugs. The lightning bug, ladybug, June bug and potato bug are beetles. Do you know children, beetle book we were using in previous year, which are insects. Some beetles can be as large as the hand of humans. They may weigh as much as an apple. Now let's move on to the next chapter. Chapter number 2, Life in the Sea. In this chapter you studied about different creatures living inside the sea. First one, sharks. They are the largest and fiercest fish that live in the seas. And I told that time also fiercest means very violent. That means sharks are the largest and violent fish that live in the seas. And some types of shark are the great white shark, blue shark, tiger shark and leopard shark. They are man eater. That is why they are called fiercest, means very violent. And the whale shark is the largest as long as two bosses put together. So long. When we put two bosses together, that is the length of the whale shark. And then octopus. As in the picture you can see, it has 8 tentacles. Octopus means 8 feet, but the 8 tentacles are their arm. These are their arms, not their feet. The octopus uses its hard and pointed tentacles to pull its victim towards its mouth. Then we studied about barracudas. They are considered as the tiger in the sea. It is a fierce saltwater fish that is about 8-9 feet long. These are, and it even attack humans. And then we also studied about starfish. So its name has fish, but it is not a fish. It is not fish. Its name is starfish. And these 5 are its tube feet, and they breathe through it. The starfish has 5 arms and its mouth is on the underside of the body. Okay, now whales. Whales are sea mammals and they are not fish. They come up to the surface to breathe through blowhole. These are the blowhole. And dolphins and killer whales are tooth whale. Baleen whales are the other group of whales. So some types of whales are dolphins and killer whales. And baleen whales are the other groups of whales which have long plates that hang from the upper jaw like the teeth of a giant comb. Then we studied about seahorse. It looks like a horse, but it is not a horse, but it is a fish. It is one type of fish, a small fish, but it does not look like fish. It has the head of horse and the tail of a monkey. This. The body is covered with small bony plates. Then clams. This is clams and it belongs to a group of animals called mollusks. They have soft body without backbone that usually live in shell. And a clam has only 1 foot which it uses for burrowing. The giant clam found in the Pacific Ocean is huge with a shell that is said to be about 5 feet across. And then we studied about oyster. This is the oyster and it has 2 shells, this one with a hinge. This is hinge, means joint at the end that fasten them together. They fasten these both shells together. Usually the shells are left partly open to let in water that brings oxygen and food and takes away waste. So children, here is the end of this explanation. Now let's study the exercise of this lesson. Name the following. First one, it is the largest and heaviest mammal in the world. First one, it is the largest and heaviest mammal in the world. It is a blue whale. Answer is. Then second one, they are simple sea animals that have no bones, heads or legs and rise above the sea in circle called atolls. So corals have no bones, no heads and no legs, but it rises above the sea in the circle called atoll. So it is coral. Then third one, it is a sea snail which is just about an inch long but has over 4,000 teeth. This is one type of snail and it has 4,000 teeth. It is periwinkle. Then fourth one, it is different because it has 3 separate hearts. It is cuttlefish. Then it is one of the smallest shark, only 60 centimeter long. So dogfish. It has 5 pairs of limbs including claws. It is crab. Then 7th one, it is a female whale, cow. 8th one, it is the most common tropical freshwater fish, guppy. Then it protects its eggs by building a nest, salmon. Then 10th one, they have a pouch into which the female lays her eggs. So its name is pipefish and seahorse. So here is the end of this exercise, and here given some guess which one is the fastest in water. Here speed also given 110 km per hour. So which is the fastest? This sailfish is the fastest among all. Now Mr. Know-all. People living near the sea enjoy eating crustacean. People living near the sea enjoy eating crustaceans such as lobsters, crabs and shrimps. Crustaceans are a group of animals whose bodies are covered with a hard shell as given here. If you try eating any of them, remember to remove the shell. So children, here is the end of this both lesson, and you should revise this both the lesson and study and write in your homework book. Thank you.